Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Finance and Crypto Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your PHH Mortgage account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in postclosing.phhmortgage.com and make a search. It will take you to the login page of PHH Mortgage account. Enter your username and password associated with your PHH Mortgage account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your PHH Mortgage account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.